Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Today we're going to show you how to replace the tail light, the brake light, the turn signal light, the rear one on a Honda Civic. This one is a 9th generation, so it's the same procedure from 2011 all the way until 2015. So we're going to show you on the right side, but it's the same procedure for the left side. So right here, right now, we have those kind of clips. You need to pull the center piece out with a screwdriver and then pull the whole clip out, the middle piece. So we have one here. We already removed this one right there. Let me show you better angle, and one right there. And so now we can just pull that cover right here, and that's where the bulbs are, right there on the back. And now the one for the turn signal is the one on the very left side, right there. So you need to turn to the left about 30 degrees and then pull it out. Okay, this is the bulb right there, and if you need to replace it, you just pull it out of there. Okay, this is the bulb right here, and you just push it back and again go in the slots right there and turn about 30 degrees to the right this time. Okay, this one is for reverse. The one on the right side is for reverse. So again, you need to go to the left 30 degrees, pull it out, and you replace it the same way. And again, when you install it, you need to get in the slot and just turn 30 degrees to the right. The very bottom one is the one for the brake light and the tail light. So the same procedure, 30 degrees to the left, you pull it out. This is the bulb, and if you need to replace it, you just pull it out, and this is the number right here. It's 7443, 12 volt again, 21 and 5 watts. And you just put it back together, and again don't forget to put it there in the slots and turn to the right. And now all you need to do is just put the cover and install the 3 clips, and this way you just need to pull the center piece out, push it in, and then the center piece. So that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.